India's dreaded National Investigation Agency has seized properties in different areas of the South Kashmir's Pulwama district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the land belonging to one person was sealed in Karalpura area of the district by the Indian agency. Dozens of employees from the health department have been terminated across occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, an official of the health department told the media in Srinagar that the health and medical education department directed to terminate all staff attached by the respective heads. All parties Hurriyat Conference have said that violation of the Kashmiris' fundamental human rights has exposed India's facade of the so-called largest democracy, as it has converted the entire occupied Kashmir into the world's largest open-air jail. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC leaders in their statements issued in Srinagar said that the death of the India's fake democracy is daily witnessed in the killing fields of Kashmir, where Modi-led government is increasing number of its occupation troops on daily basis to suppress the freedom movement. Morale of the Indian troops is at lowest as the incidents of suicide among the Indian forces personnel are showing an upward trend in occupied Kashmir. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service said 586 Indian troops, paramilitary and police personnel have committed suicide in the occupied territory since January 2007. The report said that the guilt of committing atrocities on the innocent Kashmiris are leaving deep impacts on the psyche of the Indian troops. Family members of the 3 innocent Kashmiri youth killed in a staged encounter in South Kashmir's Amshipura in July 2020 by the Indian troops have expressed dissatisfaction over the suspension of the life sentence and the bail to the Indian Army Captain Bhupender Singh by an armed forces tribunal. According to Kashmir Media Service, the families from Rajouri district have planned to challenge the decision in a higher court, rejecting the tribunal's decision. Rights activists have slammed the Indian authorities for putting a global positioning system GPS tracker on the body of a man facing terrorism charges in occupied Kashmir. Al Jazeera TV said this in its fresh report. According to Kashmir Media Service, the activists in the interviews with Al Jazeera TV said GPS anklet is a form of virtual imprisonment and compromises the privacy of an individual who is facing trial but not convicted. All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter has urged the United Nations and the international human rights organizations to take notice of the plight of the Hurriyat leaders and activists illegally detained in the jails of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the demand was raised at a meeting of APHC AJK, which was held in Islamabad under the chairmanship of its convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar.